Another reason I do not like gel extraction. Imagine you've extracted your DNA from the gel, and you decide to run it again to make sure everything is fine. And then the only thing you see is a smeared band, either alone or below your extracted band.
What the hell?
Calm down. It might not be contamination. It could just be your DNA is denatured.
What?
Because the gel extraction kit uses reagents that breaks hydrogen bonds. Add in the fact that you heated everything to 60 degrees Celsius and your DNA is now single-stranded. One more thing. DNA with AT-rich regions and inverted repeats is easier to denature. What can you do? Heat it to 95 to 98 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. Then cool on the bench to room temperature. It'll find its way back into double strand. Are you sure? Single-stranded DNA can fold into complex structures through internal base pairing and base stacking interactions. To get it ready for proper reannealing, you need to break those structures and fully open the strand by heating it to 95 to 98 degrees Celsius. The slow cooling step helps the DNA reform into a stable double strand. Some suggest adding 10 millimolar sodium chloride before heating, but in reality this is not necessary. Also, consider whether residual salt in your DNA might affect downstream reactions. After gel extraction, I don't spec the DNA. I already know the quantification will be incorrect. I just run a gel and use it to measure my DNA. Bottom line, if your gel shows a weird little smeared band, next time don't panic. You can probably fix it in just a few minutes. Subscribe for more quick tips and to avoid panicking in the lab.